Motherfuckers, I could make you rich.
Welcome back. I'm sorry I teased you guys on the last one. Had to be done. We're gonna build this thing today. Simple as that. So we already know what we have. A lot of things are rebuilt. A lot of things cleaned up. Some things we're just gonna use it as is. This is the CR125 budget build. If you've been watching, we took a 2002 CR125 and stripped her down, did what we could with what we had, and I think it's gonna turn out pretty epic. This thing looks pretty good all laid out. Unfortunately, I gotta pick it all back up, and from there, we'll start assembling everything. Like usual, down in the description, all the goods for Wild Moto. That's my brand, that's what I'm trying to build, and we're slowly making progress. So check it out, Instagram, got a Wild Moto shop, just a few products there. If you want to check that out, help support the channel, all the affiliate links, all that good stuff. I appreciate every one of you tuning in, leaving comments, getting hyped for simple builds like this. Soon enough, we'll have that Prime MX CR250. We have very little time to put that one together, but we're gonna do our best, and I've already got tons and tons of parts ordered for it, so hopefully should make our life easier. We'll get to that in the future, but for now, CR125, let's get it. that makes the whole thing look like trash. We're gonna have to buy a pro circuit pipe. Simple as that.
What you doing?
Switchblades, cocaine, got boy click, nigga, O'Shea. Black fur, black coat, got boy click in the back of. Switchblades, cocaine, got boy click till my soul take. Black jeans, got black coat, got boy click in the castle.
All right, I just spent a few minutes routing throttle cable, making sure all my other cables were routed. Clutch cable for now, we just got her down. We'll have to attach, and then up top here, just install clutch perch. Got our kill switch, and then routing the ECU, and then throttle tube. We've got some grips to toss on here as well, and we'll make sure all these goodies are adjusted too. So that's what we got set up, and then all of our radiator hoses tightened up, all that good stuff. So we are all mounted up, getting closer. Dude, this thing is sick. Just look at it. There it is. That's all you get. That's all you get. Just a little sneak preview. This bike looks damn good. Damn good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save all the goodness for the next episode. This bike looks absolutely amazing, but there's still a few tiny little things that I need to iron out. As of now, haven't even fired it up yet. We'll do that in the next episode. And hopefully we don't have any issues, and hopefully it's ready to rip with some minor adjustments. So yeah, there it is. I hope you enjoyed. This obviously won't be the last video on it. I'll have multiple videos going over the good, the bad, the ugly. You know, hopefully we can get some first rides here once the weather warms up and there's a little less snow on the ground. But that's the bike, man. Like I said, just a few minor adjustments here and there, a couple tiny little parts that I need to order, and this thing is gonna be golden. So next episode we'll get into that. Sorry to leave you hanging, is the way it is. So just like usual, down in the description, all the goodies. Check out Wild Moto on Instagram. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.